What's up, everybody? Ian here from Biscuit TV. Enough with the S21 Ultra. Right now, we're going to be talking about this. Doesn't need any introduction. This is the Poco X3 Pro. I ordered this last week. We'll do this a quick unboxing and some quick impressions. Let's see what the mid-range guys have to offer right now. So the Poco X3 was an exclusive Shopee release. Oh my god, there it is. Okay. Ah. Haha. This is a safety precaution because this came from China, you know. Okay, so came in a bubble wrap. Alright, okay. Package seems decent to me. It's in a black box with yellow text, and inner box is in yellow, and it's wrapped in plastic. Huh. There she goes. Ah, welcome card. Welcome to the Poco family. There we go. Thank you for choosing Poco. Blah blah blah. So if you want to read it, just pause the video. And then another yellow packaging. Let me just put this aside. So what do we get here? A SIM card eject tool here. And then, oh, okay. So you're getting stickers, huh? And yeah, there's your manuals. And okay, we're getting a complimentary case. It's your generic silicon case. Oh, no, this is not silicon. This is TPU. Okay, all right. Finally, okay, all right. Let's skip the phone first, and because there's still some stuff right here. All right, so you're getting a Type A to Type C cable, USB or charging cable, and all right, a power brick, and that's it. So to the phone. It's actually kind of heavy, huh? It's leaning on the heavy side. Okay, might want to read that. All right, Qualcomm Snapdragon 860, 7 nanometer octa-core CPU up to 2.96 gigahertz. Whoa, 120 hertz. 6.67 full HD plus dot display. Oh, you have Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Can you believe I just paid around 10,000, I guess? Was it 10,000 or 11,000 for this phone? 11,000. Amazing. Okay. It has UFS 3.1 storage, dual speakers, NFC enabled, 5,160 milliamps of battery, and liquid cool technology. Okay. All right. Feels it it actually feels solid, man. Safety first. So if you're actually ordering stuff online, whether it's locally or from overseas, it's really better to, wear a face mask and disinfect your device. It actually feels good in the hand. Huh. I'm quite intrigued. Just look at that. Guess which one is the S21 Ultra and which one is the Poco phone. Yeah, this one. By the way, I'm rocking a Swarm skin here. Can you believe that this is available here in the Philippines for around 250 pesos? So if you want me to make a review on this, And just drop a comment below. And this is actually the same material that Dbrand and other, skin retailer uses. So yeah, it's amazing. It's quite cheap. There's also a pre-installed screen protector. Yeah, it is plastic, but doesn't come close to the phones that was released years ago. I mean, mid-range phones actually, they have like a cheap feeling, not unlike mid-range phones right now. I mean, it's even a lot better to hold than my S21. I would say it's a bit thicker. So all right, let's turn this on. All right, it says Poco. So that's what it looks like. Let me turn it on for the first time. All right, Me UI. All right. MIUI 12. Yours alone. Okay. Let's hit on the next button. Language. So English. Region. What do we choose here? Philippines. We can actually choose Philippines. Next, and keyboard. Okay, then we'll click on the next. Terms and conditions. Click on this button here. Okay, to insert your SIM card, read the instructions that came with your device. I'll just connect to my Wi-Fi here real quick. Getting your phone ready. So you can copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts. All right. This is kind of the same thing that Samsung offers, with their smart switch. I'm actually quite surprised that they offer this too on a mid-range phone, right? We'll choose backup from Android phone. The first time you turn it on, you'll actually get 68% of battery. So, okay, open the Google app on your old device. Okay, Google, set up my device. The Poco phone is asking me to go to Google search and say set up my device, which I have here. Amazing. All right, I click next. Verify the shapes on your device. If they match, click next. Okay, so currently it's copying. So this is 128 gigabyte model. So as you can see there, 2.5 of 100. So you have 111 usable storage. And this is the 6 gigabytes RAM in Phantom Black. Alright, so I think it's copying or downloading the apps that I have on my other phone. So I'm actually gonna get back to you in a few minutes, hopefully. But on YouTube, it might just be in a sec. All right, so catch you in a GIF. You're ready to rock. Okay, so let's see what a mid-range phone can offer. So it's loading apps right now. Okay. Ooh, are you kidding me? It even copied my wallpaper. All right, guys, so I just inserted my SIM card here. I'll be playing around with this phone, but so far I'm quite happy with the quality, the build. I wasn't really expecting a lot because, come on, it's like a $200 phone, but I'm quite surprised, thinking that I'm coming from the S21 Ultra, a flagship phone. The fingerprint placement is just perfect. Uh, Using this naked, it's good because of the curved back. It's like hugging your fingers. Though I already seeing that there are fingerprints. So it's like, yeah, back is fingerprint magnet, but it's not also noticeable. Plus, you're obviously gonna put a case on it. The screen is good. Uh, non Not as good as an OLED screen, but it's not bad at all. It's not bad. The 120 hertz is awesome, except if you switch to your Google News. What's this? Your Google Feeds. Ah, I hate it. I just want to turn that off. Let me turn that off. How do you turn that off? Yeah, okay. Anyways, I'll be running some benchmarks here, games, battery, camera. So expect another video in a few days. For now, we'll focus on the Poco phone. Okay. All right. Again, this is Ian from Biscuit TV. Ciao.